Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Made Easy. I'm Jack.
And I'm Amelia. How are you today?
We're so happy you're here with us. Today, we have a special topic.
Yes, today we're talking about Christmas food. Christmas food is delicious.
It really is. We'll learn vocabulary, phrases, and how to talk about your favorite Christmas dishes.
This episode is perfect for beginners. We speak slowly and clearly.
And we repeat everything. Repetition is important.
Very important. Before we start, please like this podcast and subscribe.
Yes, please. It helps us so much. Okay, Amelia, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk about Christmas food.
So, Amelia, what is Christmas food?
Great question, Jack. Christmas food is the food we eat at Christmas time.
Christmas time is in December. December 25th is Christmas Day.
Yes, many families eat special food on Christmas Day.
Special food. That means it's not everyday food. It's different.
Exactly. For example, in my family, we eat roast turkey.
Roast turkey. Listen again. Roast turkey. Roast means cooked in the oven.
Turkey is a big bird. It's like a chicken, but bigger.
Much bigger. Let me say it again. Roast turkey.
Good. Now you try. Say it with us. Roast turkey.
Roast turkey. Perfect.
In some countries, people eat different things. In Germany, some families eat roast goose.
Roast goose. A goose is another bird.
And in some places, people eat ham. Ham is meat from a pig.
Ham is very popular at Christmas. My family always has ham.
So we have 3 Christmas meats: turkey, goose, and ham.
Let's repeat. Turkey, goose, ham. Say it with us.
Turkey, goose, ham. Excellent work.
Okay, now let's talk about side dishes. Amelia, what's a side dish?
A side dish is food you eat with the main dish. It's extra food.
Yes! The turkey or ham is the main dish. The side dishes go next to it.
One popular side dish is roast potatoes.
Roast potatoes. Potatoes cooked in the oven. They're crispy and delicious.
Crispy means hard on the outside, but soft inside.
Let's say it together. Roast potatoes. Roast potatoes.
Another side dish is stuffing.
Stuffing. This is a difficult word. Listen. Stuffing.
Stuffing is bread mixed with herbs and spices. We cook it inside the turkey or next to it.
Herbs are plants like parsley or sage. They make food taste good.
In my family, my mom makes the best stuffing.
Lucky you. Now, another common side dish is vegetables.
Yes, many families eat Brussels sprouts at Christmas.
Brussels sprouts. These are small green vegetables. Listen again. Brussels sprouts.
Some people love them. Some people don't like them.
Ha, that's true. I didn't like them as a child, but now I do.
Our tastes change. Another vegetable is carrots. Roast carrots are sweet and soft.
And some families have green beans. Green beans are long and thin.
Let's review our side dishes. Say them with us.
Roast potatoes.
Stuffing.
Brussels sprouts.
Carrots.
Green beans.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about sauces. Amelia, what's a sauce?
A sauce is a liquid we put on food. It makes food taste better.
The most important Christmas sauce is gravy.
Gravy. Listen to the word, gravy.
Gravy is brown. We make it from the meat juice. It's warm and tasty.
We pour gravy over the turkey and potatoes.
Pour means to make liquid go from a container onto food.
Let me give you an example. Please pour the gravy on my plate.
Great example. Another sauce is cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. Cranberries are small, red fruits. The sauce is sweet and a little sour.
Sour means it's not just sweet, it has a sharp taste, like lemon.
We eat cranberry sauce with turkey. It's a classic combination.
Classic means traditional. People eat this combination for many years.
Let's practice. I like gravy on my turkey.
Now you try. I like cranberry sauce with my turkey.
Excellent.
Okay, now the best part, desserts.
Oh, yes, I love Christmas desserts.
Dessert is the sweet food we eat after the main meal.
The most traditional Christmas dessert is Christmas pudding.
Christmas pudding. In America, we call pudding something different, but in Britain, Christmas pudding is like a cake.
Yes, it's a dark, heavy cake with dried fruits inside.
Dried fruits are fruits with no water, like raisins.
We make Christmas pudding weeks before Christmas. Then we heat it up on Christmas Day.
Heat up means to make it warm again.
And here's something special. We put brandy on it and light it on fire.
Light it on fire. It burns with blue flames. It's beautiful.
Don't worry, the fire goes out quickly. It's safe.
Another popular dessert is mince pies.
Mince pies. These are small, sweet pies.
A pie is pastry with filling inside. The pastry is the outside part, like a shell.
Mince pies have sweet fruit filling. They have raisins, apples, and spices.
They're small. You can eat one in 3 or 4 bites.
A bite is when you use your teeth to eat something.
In my country, we also have Christmas cookies.
Christmas cookies. Cookies are small, flat, sweet cakes.
We decorate them. Decorate means to make them pretty with icing and colors.
Some cookies are shaped like Christmas trees, stars, or Santa Claus.
They're fun to make with children.
Another dessert some families have is Yule log.
Yule log is a chocolate cake shaped like a wooden log.
A log is a piece of wood from a tree.
The cake looks like wood. It has chocolate frosting that looks like bark.
Bark is the outside of a tree. It's very creative.
Let's review our desserts together.
Christmas pudding,
Mince pies,
Christmas cookies.
Yule log.
You're learning so much. Good job.
Now let's talk about drinks. What do people drink at Christmas?
One special drink is eggnog.
Eggnog. This is a very traditional Christmas drink in America and Canada.
It's made with milk, eggs, sugar, and spices.
It's thick and creamy. Creamy means smooth and rich like cream.
Some people add alcohol, but you can drink it without alcohol too.
It's sweet and delicious.
Another drink is mulled wine.
Mulled wine is warm red wine with spices.
We heat the wine with cinnamon, cloves, and orange.
Cinnamon is a sweet spice. It smells wonderful.
Mulled wine is perfect for cold winter nights.
Of course, many people also drink hot chocolate at Christmas.
Hot chocolate. This is chocolate mixed with hot milk.
Sometimes we add marshmallows on top. Marshmallows are soft, white, sweet things.
And don't forget tea and coffee.
Yes, after a big Christmas meal, a cup of tea or coffee is perfect.
Let's practice. Say with us, I'd like some eggnog, please.
Can I have some mulled wine?
I love hot chocolate.
Perfect pronunciation. Now let's learn some useful phrases for talking about Christmas food.
These phrases will help you at Christmas dinner.
First phrase, this looks delicious.
This looks delicious. You say this when you see the food. You haven't eaten it yet, but it looks good.
Let me use it in a conversation. Wow, Mom, this turkey looks delicious.
Perfect. Next phrase. Can you pass me the...
Can you pass me the potatoes? This means, please give me the potatoes.
Pass means to give something to someone at the table.
Another example, can you pass me the gravy?
Great. Next phrase. Would you like some more?
Would you like some more? This is a polite question. It means, do you want more food?
For example, would you like some more turkey?
You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you, I'm full."
I'm full means my stomach is full. I can't eat anymore.
Next phrase, "This is my favorite dish."
This is my favorite dish. Dish means one type of food.
For example, "This stuffing is my favorite dish."
Or roast potatoes are my favorite dish.
Another useful phrase, "I'm stuffed."
I'm stuffed. This is informal. It means I ate too much. I'm very full.
I'm stuffed. We use this with friends and family, not in formal situations.
Right. And here's one more. Save room for dessert.
Save room for dessert. This means don't eat too much now because dessert is coming.
Room means space. Space in your stomach.
For example, don't eat too many potatoes. Save room for dessert.
Let's practice all these phrases. Repeat after us.
This looks delicious.
This looks delicious.
Can you pass me the gravy?
Can you pass me the gravy?
Would you like some more?
Would you like some more?
This is my favorite dish.
This is my favorite dish.
I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
Save room for dessert.
Save room for dessert.
Excellent work. These phrases are very useful.
Wow, Jack, we learned so much today.
We really did. Let's review everything together.
First, we learned about main dishes. What were they?
Turkey, goose, and ham.
Then we learned side dishes, like roast potatoes, stuffing, and Brussels sprouts.
Don't forget the sauces, gravy, and cranberry sauce.
And the desserts, Christmas pudding, mince pies, Christmas cookies, and Yule log.
We also learned drinks, eggnog, mulled wine, and hot chocolate.
And finally, we learned useful phrases like, "This looks delicious," and "Can you pass me the potatoes?"
You learned a lot of new vocabulary today. Be proud of yourself.
Remember, the best way to learn is to practice. Use these words in your life.
If you're having Christmas dinner, try to use these phrases.
Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
Now we have a fun question for you, our community.
Here's the question. What is your favorite Christmas food?
Think about it. Is it turkey, cookies, something else?
Write your answer in the comments below this podcast.
We love reading your comments. It helps us create better episodes for you.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Next week, we'll talk about Christmas traditions around the world.
It's going to be a fun episode. You don't want to miss it.
Thank you so much for listening today. You're doing an amazing job learning English.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep improving.
Until next time, happy learning.
And Merry Christmas!
Bye-bye.